Hello students, today we start rate analysis example number 5, brick bed cement line in a foundation. So here brick bed cement line in a foundation ratio is given 1:4:8, and in a rate analysis we include the material cost plus labor cost, and then after we add a water charges plus contractor profit and summation of the material cost, labor cost, contractor profit plus water charges. We got the final answer of the rate of a particular item in sum of the quantity. So let's we start example, brick bed cement lime in a foundation. So here for a 10 meter cube brick bed lime concrete, 10 meter cube brick bed are required. So here first we write here quantity is a 10 meter cube brick bed is required for a 10 meter cube BBLC work, and proportion of the brick bed lime concrete is 1:4:8. So here volume of the sand is half of the volume of the brick bed. So here volume of the brick bed is a 10 meter cube. So here sand we require 5 meter cube as per the standard value. So the volume of the lime is a 1/4 of the volume of the sand. So here volume of the sand is a 5 meter cube. So here 1/4 multiplied by 5. So we got the answer 1.25 meter cube. So lime quantity is required for a 10 meter cube brick bed lime concrete is a 1.25 meter cube. And as per the textbook rate, brick bed per meter cube rate we write here 800 rupees per meter cube rate. Then after sand per meter cube rate is 800 rupees per meter cube sand rate, and lime per meter cube rate is 1000 rupees per meter cube lime rate. So here and extra cost, sunrise extra cost we include the 50 rupees as extra cost. So total amount is 800 multiplied by 10 means 8000. Then after 800 multiplied by 5, 4000. 1000 multiplied by 1.25, 1250 plus 50 rupees extra cost. So total summation of the 8000, 4000, 1250 plus 50. So we got the answer is 13,300 rupees. It's a total answer of the material cost is a brick bed lime concrete in a foundation for a ratio of 1:4:8. Now next we take another work like here labor requirement of the labor for BBLC work. So here male coolie we require for a 10 meter cube is a 3. Then after female coolie required for a 10 meter cube BBLC is a 6, and VC required is a 2. Now here male coolie per day rate as per the textbook value 200 rupees. Then after female 180 rupees. Then after BC rate per day is 200 rupees. And here grinding of a lime mortar. So here how to calculate. So here calculation is given. So in as per the calculation 900 rupees as a lump sum grinding mortar is we calculated. So we write here 900 rupees, and extra cost for a labor cost we include 50 rupees. So summation of the 600, 1080, 400, 900 and 50 rupees. So total amount is 3030 rupees is a total amount for a labor cost. Now here material cost plus labor cost. Material cost is already calculated 13,300, and labor cost is 3030 rupees. So total material plus labor cost is 16,330 rupees. Now here water is required, so here add a water charges. So water charges is 244.95 rupees. So we got these answer from the above value. So 16,330 multiplied by 1.5% as a water charge. So we got an answer 244.95 rupees. And here 10% contractor profit is included. So here 10% of the 16,330 rupees multiplied by 10%. So we got the answer 1,633 rupees. So final answer of the 10 meter cube brick-bat lime concrete is 18,207 rupees 0.95 paisa. So here per meter cube rate is 18,207.95 divided by 10. So we got the answer per meter cube rate is 1,020 rupees 0.79 paisa. So here we round about 1,821 rupees is a round figure of the answer of brick-bat lime concrete. So here this first example is complete. Now in example number 6 we take another example, cement concrete of a ratio 1:4:8 in a foundation. So here cement concrete 1:4:8 ratio of the cement concrete is a 1:4:8. So is one part of the cement, 4 part of the sand and 8 part of aggregate. So here normal PCC work in a foundation. So here we calculate the total quantity of 10 meter cube. So for quantity of the 10 meter cube we calculate the rate, and then after we find out the 1 meter cube rate. So first we calculate the total material quantity required for a particular 10 meter cube quantity of the work. So for a 10 meter cube wet concrete, 15.2 meter cube dry concrete is required for a calculation. So when we add a 15.2 meter cube dry concrete, when we add a water in this 15.2 meter cube dry concrete, so we got the wet concrete as a 10 meter cube. Here 52% we add a wastage plus change the volume in a dry concrete. So when we add the water in a wet concrete, so we got the final answer 10 meter cube. Now let's we start a calculation of the material. So in a material quantity, first we calculate the cement quantity. So here ratio is given 1:4:8. So summation of the 1 plus 4 plus 8. So value we got a 13. So for finding out the cement, so cement is equal to 1 divided by 13. So 13 we got from here, and 1 is a 1 part of the cement, multiply by 15.2, because for a 10 meter cube wet concrete we calculate 15.2 meter cube dry concrete. So 15.2. So here multiplication and division we got the final answer 1.17 meter cube is a cement volume. So 1.17 divided by 0.035. So here cement we got an answer in the form of the meter cube in the form of the volume, but here we required cement volume in the form of bags. So here 1.17 divided by 0.035. So is equal to 34 bag of the cement we required for completion of the 10 meter cube concrete work. Now next here we write down 34 numbers of the bag is required. Then after for a sand calculation, sand is the 4 part of the sand. So 4 divided by 13 multiply by 15.2. So we got answer 4.68 meter cube. So write here 4.68 meter cube. Then after aggregate is a 8 part of the aggregate. So 8 divided by 13 multiply by 15.2. So 9.36 is a value of the aggregate for making the concrete of 10 meter cube volume. So here as per the rate given in a book, we put the rate per meter bag rate is rate per bag 280 is given. Then after sand per meter cube rate is 800 rupees, and aggregate per meter cube rate is 1000 rupees as per the book value. And extra cost sunrise is given 50 rupees. So here total amount is we got 34 multiplied by 280, so we got the answer 9520. Then after 4.68 multiplied by 800, so we got answer 3744 rupees. And 9.36 multiplied by 1000, so we got answer 9360 and 50 rupees as extra cost. So summation of the all the four values, 9520 plus 3744 plus 9360 plus 50 rupees, so we got a total answer is 22,674 rupees is a material cost. So total material cost is calculated. Now here for a labor required to complete the task, so here Mistri or main mason required half, means half day is required. Then after mason required is 1. Then after male coolie is required 7 for a complete 10 meter cube concrete work. Then after female coolie is required 11, and Bisti is required 2.5. So here as per the textbook value per day rate we put here. So 400 main mason rate, then after 300 mason rate, 200 per day rate of male coolie, and 180 rupees per day of female coolie, and Bisti rate is 200 is a Bisti rate. And then after 50 rupees as extra cost sunrise. So here 400 multiplied by 0.5 it's 200. Then after 300, 7 multiplied by 200 is 1400. 11 multiplied by 180 is 1980, and 2.5 multiplied by 200 is 500 rupees is a Bisti amount. And then after 50 rupees as a extra cost. So here total labor cost is a 200 plus 300 plus 1400, 1980, 500 and 50 rupees. So summation of the all the values we got, the final answer is a 4430 rupees is a labor cost. Now summation of the labor cost plus material cost is 22,674 plus 4,430. So 27,104 rupees is a total material plus labor cost. Here water is required to complete this task. So here we add a 1.5% water charges. So 1.5% is a 27,104 multiplied by 1.5%. So we got the answer is a 406.56 is a water charges, and we include the 10% contractor profit. So 27,104 multiplied by 10%. So here 2,710.4 rupees is a contractor profit. Now rate for a 10 meter cube is a summation of the all the values like 27,104 plus 406.56, then after 2,710.4. So we got the answer 30,220.96 rupees is a 10 meter cube rate for a concrete. So here per meter cube rate is a 30,220.96 divided by 10 is we got the answer is 3022 rupees 0.096. So say final round up figure is 3022 rupees is per meter cube rate of the concrete of a ratio 1:4:8. Now next we start example number 7. So in this example we take a RCC work of a ratio 1:2:4 for a slab. So in a RCC work here cement, sand, aggregate, steel and binding wire. So these both new material is added in a as a material list, and in this material here steel we calculate for a slab is a 1% steel is calculated. Here 1% is a 10 meter cubes 1%, clear. So here 1% steel is calculated for a slab work. Now let's we start a calculation of the material. So here material calculation for a 10 meter cube weight concrete, as per discussion with in a last example, 10 meter cube weight concrete. So we calculate a 15.2 meter cube dry concrete is calculation is required. So here proportion is a 1:2:4. Clear? So proportion is a 1:2:4. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here one part of the cement, 2 part of the sand, and 4 part of the aggregate is calculated. So first we calculate the cement quantity. So cement quantity is the 1 part of the cement. So 1 divided by 7. 7 is the summation of the all the ratios value, multiplied by 15.2. So 15.2 is a dry concrete volume. So when we add a water in this 15.2, so we got a weight concrete is a 10 meter cube is a weight concrete. Now we got the answer 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 15.2. We got the answer 2.17 meter cube. So here we got the cement answer in a meter cube, but cement always count in a number of bag. So here one bag volume is a 0.035. So 2.17 divided by 0.035. So we got the answer 62.04 bags, means 63 bags is required for a RCC work of a 1:2:4 slab work. So here we write a 63 number of bag is required. Then after we calculate the sand, here 2 part of the sand is required. So 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 15.2. So answer is a 4.34 meter cube. So we write here 34 meter cube. Then after aggregate quantity is aggregate proportion is given 4 part. So 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 15.2. So we got the answer 8.68 meter cube. So write here 8.68 meter cube. Then after steel quantity is 1% of the total quantity of the concrete work. So assume 1% of the steel of a weight volume of the concrete. So volume of steel is 1 divided by 100 multiplied by 10. So means 0.1 meter cube is a steel volume. So density of the steel is already given in a book is 7,850 kg per meter cube. So density is equal to m by v, mass upon volume. So mass of the steel is a density multiplied by volume. So density is 7,850 multiplied by 0.1. So here quantity of the steel required 785 kg. So write here 785 kg. Clear? And then after binding wire required. So here binding wire calculation is given. So for 100 kg of the steel, 1 kg of the binding wire is required. So for 785 kg steel, 8 kg binding wire is required. So write here binding wire 8 kg. Now rate value is given as per the book value. 280 rupees per bag rate is given. Then after per meter cube sand amount is 800 rupees. Per meter cube aggregate amount is 1000 rupees. And per kg steel value is 45 rupees per kg. And then after binding wire 50 rupees per kg. So here rate we take as per the current rate. Standard rate we also calculate by the current rate or standard rate. Now we include the 50 rupees as a extra cost or extra amount as a sunrise. So total amount of the material is 63 multiplied by 280 is 17,640. Then after sand is 4.34 multiplied by 800, so 3,472. Aggregate value is 8.68 multiplied by 1,000, 8,680 rupees. And steel is 785 multiplied by 45, so 35,325 rupees. And binding wire is 8 multiplied by 50, so 400 rupees binding wire. And sunrise is 50 rupees is already given here. So summation of the all the values, we got the answer is 65,567 rupees. Now next we calculate the labor cost. So here labor cost labor for a mix. Next we start a labor cost. So in a labor cost, labor of mixing, transporting and placing of the concrete including the curing. So for a 10 meter cube, this work per meter cube rate is a 300 rupees. Clear? So total 3000 rupees as a labor for mixing, transporting, placing of the concrete including the curing work, and cost of hiring the mixture and a vibrator. So here lump sum amount is 1000 rupees is included. So these values we put as per the book value, textbook value. Now labor for bending, cutting and placing of the reinforcement. So here total here see this amount 785, sorry, see this value 785 kg. So 785 kg per kg 5 rupees amount is given for bending, cutting, placing of the reinforcement of steel. So 785 multiplied by 5, 3925 rupees. Then after labor for centering and shuttering. So here centering and shuttering lump sum amount is given as a 5000 rupees as a lump sum amount for a centering and shuttering, and 50 rupees we take as a sunrise. So here extra cost. Now summation of the 3000, 1000, 3925, 5000 and 50 rupees. So we got the answer 12,975 rupees. So here material cost. So we are already calculated material cost 65,567 rupees plus 12,975 rupees. So total labor cost plus material cost is 78,542 rupees is a total cost of the material plus labor. Now here in RCC work water is required, so we include the 1.5% as a water charges. So 78,542 multiplied by 1.5%. So we got the answer 1178.13 rupees. Now we include the 10% contractor profit. So here 78,542 multiplied by 10%. So we got the answer 854.2 rupees. Now total rate for the 10 meter cube is a summation of the 78,542 plus 1178.13, then after 7,854.2. So total answer is 87,574.33 rupees is a total amount of 10 meter cube RCC work of a ratio 1:2 of a ratio 1:2:4. Now per meter cube rate is this value divided by 10, because answer we got a 10 meter cube, so divide by 10. So we got the answer for a 1 meter cube rate is we calculated easily, and here answer we got in the point. So says round figure 8757 means 8,757 rupees per meter cube RCC work rate is calculated. Now we start a new example, example number 8. So here RCC work for a beam and column of a ratio 1:1.5:3. Clear? So here 1:1.5:3. So first we calculated material. So for a 10 meter cube wet concrete, 15.2 meter cube dry concrete is required. Calculation is required. So here proportion is a 1:1.5:3. So 3 plus 1.5 plus 1 is the answer is a 5.5. So for finding out the cement quantity, one part of the cement, so here write 1 divided by 5.5, this value multiplied by 15.2. So we got the answer 2.76 meter cube. So here cement we got the answer in the form of the meter cube, but we required in the form of the bags. So here one bag volume is a 0.035. So 2.76 divided by 0.035. So we got the answer 78.85 bag. So lump sum bag, we take a lump sum bag 79 bag. Clear? So 79 bag is a round up figure. Then after sand is a two part of the sand. Then after 5.5 multiplied by 15.2, so we got the answer 4.14 meter cube. So we write here 79 bag 4.14 meter cube for sand quantity, and aggregate quantity is 8.28 meter cube. So 8.28 meter cube is the aggregate quantity. Now assume the 2% steel for the weight of volume of the concrete. So volume of steel is 2% of the 10 meter cube. So 2 divided by 100 multiplied by 10. So 0.2 meter cube is a steel quantity. So density of the steel is 7850. It's a standard value kg per meter cube. So density is equal to m by v. So mass upon volume. So mass of the steel is density into volume. So density is 7850 multiplied by 0.2 volume of steel. So 1570 kg steel, 1570 kg steel is calculated. Now next is the binding wire. So here binding wire for a 100 kg of the steel, 1 kg of the binding wire is required. So for a 1570 kg steel, 16 kg binding wire is required. So right here 16 kg binding wire is required. So now here textbook, in a textbook rate of the different material is given. So also we take a current rate of the different material. So we take rate as per the book. So 280 per bag cement, 800 per meter cube sand, then after 1000 per meter cube aggregate, and steel we take a 45 rupees, and binding wire 50 rupees per kg, and extra cost we include 50 rupees. So here 1,05,572 rupees is a final answer of the total material cost of the RCC work of a 1 raised to 1.5 raised to 3 concrete work. Then after we include the labor cost. So in a labor cost, total 10 meter cube labor cost. So labor for a mixing, transporting and placing of the concrete including the quarry. So here 10 meter cube. Then after here 300 rupees per meter cube cost is we calculated. So total 3000 rupees for labor of mixing, transporting and placing of the concrete. Then after cost of the hiring of mixture and vibrator. So here lump sum value LS, lump sum value we take up 1000 rupees. Then after labor for bending, cutting, placing and of a reinforcement. So here total quantity of the reinforcement here 1570 kg. So write here 1570 kg, and 5 rupees rate per kg. So total 7,850 rupees is a labor for a cutting, bending and placing of the reinforcement, and a labor for centering and shuttering. We take a lump sum amount is 5,000. Then after extra cost we include 50 rupees as a extra cost. So your total labor cost is 16,900 rupees the labor cost. So now summation of the material plus labor cost. Material cost is 1,05,572 rupees plus 16,900. So total cost is 1,22,472 rupees is the total cost of the material plus labor cost. Clear? Now we include water charges because in RCC work water is required. So 1.5% of the 1,22,470 rupees. So we got the answer 37.08 as the water charges, and we take a 10% of the 1,22,470 rupees. 10% is 12,247 is a contractor profit. So rate for a 10 meter cube is a summation of the all these three values 1, 2 and 3 is a values of 1,36,556.28 rupees. So for a 1 meter cube rate is this value divided by 10. So we got the answer 13,655 rupees point 62 paisa. So round up figure is a 13,656 rupees is a 1 meter cube RCC work of a ratio 1:1.5:3. Here we complete example. Now in the next lecture we discuss about another example of the brickwork. Thank you.